Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Leadpages page builder for mobile first UI improvements, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Leadpages account. Navigate to the dashboard where your existing landing pages are listed. Select the landing page you want to edit by clicking on its title. Once on the page editor, locate the mobile preview option, usually found at the top of the builder. Click on the mobile icon to switch to the mobile view. Review the layout of your page as it appears in mobile format. Identify any elements that appear misaligned or not optimized for smaller screens. Start by adjusting your images to ensure they resize appropriately on mobile. Select each image and choose the responsive settings to maintain their aspect ratio. Next, check the text elements for readability. Adjust font sizes for headings and body text to enhance legibility on mobile devices. Ensure that buttons are prominently displayed and easy to tap. Adjust the button sizes and align them centrally where possible. If your page includes forms, ensure they are user-friendly. Limit the number of fields to make it easier for users to complete. Test the form layout to ensure it displays correctly on mobile. Check all links and make sure they are accessible without zooming. Now, review any sections that contain multiple columns. Consider stacking columns vertically to simplify navigation on mobile. Employ padding and margins to provide breathing space between elements. Save your changes frequently as you make adjustments. Preview the mobile version to verify that your edits have improved the design. Once satisfied, publish your changes to make them live. Lastly, consider testing your page on actual mobile devices to ensure usability. This approach enhances the overall user experience on mobile platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.